This 2014 Lance 1172 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Lance is 20 feet 4 inches in length and features Sleep 7, smoke detector, DVD player, leveling jacks, Skylight, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, refrigerator, LP detector, external shower, water heater, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2014 Lance 1172 is 3,690 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.